Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage language learning with Teach Yourself detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by selecting a language that you are genuinely interested in learning. Research the different resources available within the Teach Yourself series for your chosen language. Purchase or download the appropriate Teach Yourself language book and any accompanying audio materials. Set clear, achievable language learning goals for yourself. Create a structured study schedule that fits your daily routine. Begin with the basics of the language, including pronunciation and fundamental vocabulary. Incorporate the audio materials into your study sessions to enhance listening and speaking skills. Spend time practicing speaking aloud, repeating phrases, and engaging with the audio content. Utilize the exercises in the book to reinforce your understanding of grammar and sentence structure. Regularly review previously learned material to ensure you retain information. Incorporate flashcards or language learning apps to expand your vocabulary. Seek out opportunities for immersion, such as language exchange partners or online conversation groups. Track your progress to stay motivated and adjust your study methods as necessary. Engage with additional resources, such as music, films, or books in your target language. Set aside time for daily practice, even if it is just a few minutes each day. Reflect on your learning journey periodically to assess your growth and areas for improvement. Stay patient and persistent, remembering that language learning is a gradual process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.